Welcome to Codestam, and today we are going to talk about how to automate anything that is on web. We have automated several systems for several companies to execute tasks, and this is something that anyone should learn because this is something that can save a lot of time. So to install that, you have to do pip install playwright. They have a very clean documentation if you want to read. They have a very clear, detailed documentation that you can use to execute more powerful systems. And then we have Playwright install. There is something you have to do to install. I have some path issues because of multiple languages. That is why I will add Python-m. And now I have my Python Playwright setup complete. I already have things installed previously, that is why it didn't took me any time, but it will go different for you. There's the command for generating tests. Now, this is the most interesting part. Test generation in Playwright is something that gives you an option to interact with what you want to do, and it will record your steps and then it will execute them when you run it. So let's generate a test. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on a website. Let's see what website. Let's go to codestam.com. Okay, and then we'll navigate to some other page that redirects to some other page. Okay, view blogs, and then now we have blogs. We can read anyone, and then we want to go to some specific section or back and then start blogging. Okay, this is it. So let's stop it. So you see we have got the code that I just did. I'll copy it, paste it, and this is it. So I have to just remove that. Nice. Okay, so now we have got this. Now it's time to run this. So let's close the test and python app.py, and now it will execute that every step that we interactively did. And this is something that helps us automate several industries and backends of multiple systems that have various complexities in automating from the backend. And this is something that you can do very easily. There are a lot of possibilities on the backend that you can execute. You can build so powerful systems that you cannot even think about. We have built few systems on automation. If you are interested into getting more details about it, if you have idea on any automation, I am always open to it. You can get into the comment box or you can get on my mail ID. And if you are in need of automation for your industry, ping us through our website. Thank you for watching.